Welcome back. A major row has erupted over Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's new comments. What has he said? Well, on Shiv Sena founder Bal Thackeray's death anniversary yesterday, Ajit Pawar called for including Karnataka's Belgaum and 2 other districts into Maharashtra. The statement added fuel to the fire on decades-long debates over these 3 districts, which are officially a part of Karnataka but have huge Marathi-speaking populations. Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa, along with other leaders, has condemned Pawar's statement, saying that the Mahajan Commission had resolved the issue a long time ago. Meanwhile, the Karnataka Development Authority and Kannada activists are protesting against the formation of the Maratha Development Authority and Ajit Pawar's statements. This as the Karnataka government has decided to form a separate authority for Marathi-speaking regions ahead of the North Karnataka region by-elections.
ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಸಹ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಇಂಥ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಜಿತ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಖಂಡನೀಯ. ಅದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂಥ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Joining me is Senior Congress leader B.K. Hariprasad. Sir, Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Mr. Ajit Pawar, has said that Belgaum belongs to them and Karwar, Nippani belongs to them because a lot of Marathi-speaking people are there and Karnataka should give up this land.
Internal state disputes are dead and gone. The Mahajan committee report has clearly said whatever which is there in Karnataka belongs to Karnataka. Belgaum or Karwar, any part of those areas which leaders of Belgaum, Maharashtra are claiming, it's untrue.
Nolan Pinto live with me from Bengaluru. Nolan, politics over Belgaum have been on for a very long time, but are these protests likely to escalate given that there are by-elections coming up in northern Karnataka?
Well, Shiv, every time we have elections, especially in the bordering districts of both Maharashtra as well as Karnataka, you have this issue popping up over there on both the sides. In fact, this issue actually cropped up some time ago when Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa set up the Maratha Development Authority.
Yes.
Now, in fact, the opposition says that he is doing this keeping in mind the Basava Kalyan bypolls that are to take place anytime soon and which also has a sizable number of Marathis as well as Lingaites over there. Now the CM says he has nothing to do with the Marathi language. This is just basically for the people, the Maratha people over there to develop themselves. However, since then, KRV activists have been hammering the government, and we must remember, Shiv, you will know that this is Kannada Rajyotsava month.
Yeah.
We celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava on the 1st of November. This entire month is the formation of the state. So for them, this is an insult on part of the government to do anything which is against the language and the culture and the tradition. And now with Ajit Pawar's statement over here, today we have seen that all the parties, the BJP, the Congress and the JDS have all stood together in Karnataka saying that the Mahajan Commission report that was initiated, basically the Maharashtra wanted it, is final and that we all stand, land and language, we all support each other in this issue.
When has a commission ever meant that the politics over an issue will not end? Because that's what elections really dictate. Nolan, thank you so much for getting us up to speed on that developing story. Clearly something that we're going to keep our eyes on and keep you updated. Well, that's a wrap on 5 Live. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you with the...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.